Hey guys, it's me, Desi, professional investor, and here I am going live again. And today I was going to be talking a little bit about the note investing space, because as you guys know, that's what I specialize in, and the whole point of it is to be able to create a passive income into your life. If you don't have a steady stream of passive income into your life from some source, you're always going to be a slave. I mean, it just comes down to that, because you're always going to have to go to work. You're always going to have to go out there and hustle and grind and push and try to make another dollar. And so, what I'd like to just really encourage you to do is to start learning some ways to create some passive income for yourself. Now, note investing is a good way. Another good way is also to do maybe some affiliate marketing online. And you can actually do that in the note space. You know what I mean? Where you have a little bit of, maybe you do some connections with some other note investors like myself, people who have things that we offer to the general public, and then you can work as an affiliate and offer our products to the general public, and you can have that cash flow coming in. I've got people that I pay money to every single month. We pay out hundreds of dollars every single month to people, to note investors that are actually out there also talking up our Note Investor University program, right? Our Note Investor University training. So that's another way that you can create some income and some passive streams of income into your life. Also this Thursday, I'm going to be talking about something called partials. And I'm going to do a master class on investing in mortgage note partials. And it's normally a $500 class. It's going to be $500, but for those of you that can join me live, you get half off that, right? For $250, you can participate in that training. If you want to know how to get into that training, you want to register for it, and you want to just head on over to AmericanWealthBuildersNetwork.com. AmericanWealthBuildersNetwork.com, and look at the events section, and under the events section, you'll see the registration link for that class. And I can tell you that if you want to learn how to put money to work and then recycle that same money over and over, and each time you recycle it, you increase your passive income, then you'll want to consider taking that class, because that's what I'm going to teach you how to do by using a strategy called partials, investing in partials in the note space. Doesn't take a lot of money to get started with partials, that's for sure. So you guys want to take a look at that. But at the American Wealth Builders Network, we look at other ways to make passive income as well. We've got people on there that are investing in cryptocurrency, people that are investing in multifamily properties. You name it, we've got investors in that group. So it's free to join the American Wealth Builders Network. If you guys haven't checked that out already, AmericanWealthBuildersNetwork.com. It's free to join. You will be joining a group of investors and entrepreneurs that are the real deal. They're out there actually doing something. They're not just talking about it, And so you can join us there. The other thing that I've been talking about lately too is how to create that financial legacy for your family. And we've got a lot of information on that also as a part of our training and support that we provide. And I've got some really masterful ways to leave a massive financial legacy for your family, and you'd be surprised at how simple it is. But you can learn all that stuff. Head on over to the AmericanWealthBuildersNetwork.com, or if you want to head over to my website too, investbrilliantly.com. Either of those places, you can get yourself connected in with us. All right, guys. Well, that's my hit for the day. I just wanted to make sure that I get something out here to share with you guys, to encourage you to keep moving forward, because I can tell you, before you know it, you're going to be 70 years old. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, and if you haven't done something, you're going to be sitting there going, what in the heck, where did all the time go? And so don't let it sneak up on you. Just, kind of get busy, start doing some things. If you need some guidance, that's what I'm here for. That's what my team is here for. We'll guide you, direct you, and help you. Okay? Look, guys, God bless you all, and I'll talk to you soon.